Watch will touch the head and then the scratch happens and the head is gone and then story finish. So yeah, any rings also if possible you can remove, that will be helpful. Okay. So now generally what I do is if I am working on this area somewhere, I remove the print head and keep it aside. So by mistake also I don't want to touch my screwdriver or watch or whatever anything. So if this is safe, then I can work on the other things easily. So removing the print head is okay. One connection wire over here. You just need to remove the wire. If you can do it by hand, okay. Otherwise, you can just place the screwdriver in this gap over here. Just twist it a little bit. Once it is disconnected, then you can remove the head. Have you opened the printer anytime?
No.
No? Okay, so try removing the head. Basically the head moves this way, in and out. Okay. Try not to touch the surface, printhead surface area by hand or by anything else. Okay, because that is the sensitive part of the printhead. Okay, what he did over here is not wrong. What he did is also right, but there is an easier way to do things. You can, instead of using your thumbs or pressing it this way and thing, you can use your palms. You can hold a lid over here, use the palms and press it. So it press. It comes out very easily. You don't have to put too much pressure also. It doesn't hurt you also. So that is an easy way you can try putting it back. That's okay. Put it over there in that area. No, not down. Okay. Press. Very easy. Anybody you want to try to show you on the board? This is the USB port. This is the Ethernet port. This is the power port. That's all. Ethernet is also there. It is not activated, so you need a upgrade kit to activate the Ethernet port. Other than that, it's all the same.
With this, can you explain the shape or something?
No, I have. It's very easy. There are clips inside over here and at the bottom. Very simple to remove it. इसको आप hold it from this side, then just pull it towards you. This is the LCD. Very simple to remove. ये इस पे टिक देता हूँ. ये LCD निकल जाता है इसका डिस्प्ले.
ये खाली ये लॉक है इसमें लगता है.
हाँ बस. Nothing complicated. Just place and lock it. Very simple. दो बटन. Okay. Anyway, just one connector to the LCD. So very simple to change it at all. Required to change. That's it about LCD part. So the best way, generally you can remove it by just pushing it this way apart. Or else अगर नहीं होता है तो then you have to push a screwdriver and push the clips on from that side. Let's try. ये printer.
Only the top cover will be a little bit tight because if like we probably we won't know that. There will be a tag over there.
between the sensors. That is very important. When you are putting it back, it has to go between the sensor, put the spring, then you put the lock. So that is how.
One rotation is one panel. One full rotation is one panel.
Okay. समझ गया? And the cap has two clips at the bottom. Okay. The clip को आपको सिर्फ press करना है तो cap
ऊपर आ जाएगी.
Very simple. You can do it. Anybody can do it.
प्रेस करना पड़ेगा.
दो को press.
Okay.
One by one.
अच्छा एक और चीज एक से
वन साइड वो लॉक नहीं चाहिए.
वो लॉक होगा तो फिर वो निकलेगा नहीं. Behind the RFID board there is a tag, RFID tag, which records. I mean, it has the backup memory of the printer. In case आपका if your PCB blows or something goes wrong, so it has the backup memory inside over here. If you put a fresh PCB, it copies the settings from the backup memory and puts it for this. It has the backup memory.
This is a memory.
This is the RFID tag.
Okay.
नहीं निकलेगा.
डेटा कितना
Flat. So you see two clips over here. Here sensor. The sensor. Diaphragm LED sensor.
ये रिसीव ये ट्रांसमीटर है ना.
LED light है.
हाँ तो ये लाइट ट्रांसफर करता
ये ट्रांसमीटर है ये रिसीवर. Okay. फिट करने के लिए there is one clip on this side, sorry hole on this side. ये दोनों clips उसके अंदर फिट करके प्रेस करना है. That's it. Okay. Next we remove इसको साइड पे ऐसे लगा देते हैं. ये पूरा आप लोग को सबको मिलके वापस बिठाना है ना. तो मैं सिर्फ रिमूव करके छोड़ दूंगा सब कुछ.
यही है ना?
Okay. Next is the media prevention. Okay. This is an automatic media prevention system over here. Okay. When the